Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You should already have an active Workbench connection and admin privileges. Start now by selecting that connection. Once connected, expand the left side Schemas panel so you can see the target schema. Before deletion, export a schema dump or run a quick select to validate data. This prevents accidental loss. Make sure to double-check the schema name and confirm no dependent applications are connected. Proceed only after your backup completes to avoid irreversible mistakes. Right-click the schema you intend to remove and pick Drop Schema. Workbench will show a generated drop statement for review. Read that SQL carefully. It will list drop table and related drop commands, so you know exactly what will be removed. Once you understand the implications, click Apply to execute. If prompted, confirm again. If foreign keys or open transactions block deletion, close connections and rerun. This step ensures you remove the schema cleanly without leaving orphaned objects. After apply finishes, inspect the action output and SQL history to confirm the drop succeeded and note any warnings. Then refresh the schemas panel to ensure the schema is gone. If it still appears, right-click and refresh again or restart the connection. If deletion failed, look for active sessions, open transactions, or foreign key constraints preventing drop. Kill those sessions or drop constraints first. Finally, restore from your backup if you deleted the wrong schema. Keeping that dump makes recovery straightforward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.